Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a pretty special GTO right here. I bought it from a gentleman in the GTO club. He's owned this car since 1985. The title I have is from 1985. It had a body off frame restoration. It's got a 400 HO motor, 4-speed, 355 posi. I drove this car, and I'm going to tell you, it is the best driving car I have here. It functioned like it was new. Outstanding driver. I'd get in and take it anywhere right now. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, get the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale, so visit volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as the new videos come out. But right now, tops down, let's go for a spin. Yeah, this car just drove like new. Everything about it, the clutch, the shifting through the gears, the acceleration, the stopping, the ride, the radio, the power antenna working. I mean, it did everything 100% right when I drove it. I drive these old cars. You know, you expect there to be little quirks and things like that. This one felt as new, as much like a new car as possible. Bottom of the car is really impressive. Body was off the frame. The entire frame and chassis and components were completely restored. The front end, you can tell, was all rebuilt. You can see the ball joints and bushings and sway bar. All that looks fresh. A lot of NOS parts went into building this car. That's new old stock. That means they were new from GM, never put on a car. The upper and lower control arms, front and back, were new old stock parts. In back, they are the box control arms. Bottom of the motor is still immaculate. It's painted that Pontiac aqua color. The fuel pump looks new. Starter looks new. The 4-speed is immaculate, and all the linkage, it just looks brand new. It is the correct 4-speed for the car, dated 1967. It's a 355 posi in the back. You know, of course, the brakes were redone, and brake lines and hoses. It has the correct exhaust system on it, and I just noticed this recently on a different car. The mufflers are two different sizes. I just assumed that was wrong, but for whatever reason, that is correct. One muffler is bigger than the other. That's how Pontiac did it. I don't know why, but it's the correct exhaust system. Fuel tank was replaced during the restoration. So the bottom of the car is super impressive. Look at our pictures. The body is super impressive. This is an old paint job, and it has stood up really well. If it was rusty and patched up, it would be cracking. It would be showing by now. NOS parts. Pretty much the whole front end is NOS. The fenders, the hood, the little scoop, the grills, the bumpers, the headlight bezels, all NOS. So the front of this car is new old stock. You look down either one of these long sides and it's straight. Everything fits very nicely. There's no bubbles. There's no areas where the paint is disformed or anything because of bad body work. So the body's in really, really nice shape. All the trim is bright. Like I said, the bumpers are new old stock. The trim up here is nice and straight. It's a little scuffed, a little dull. You know, all this stainless around the windows. It's all nice and straight, but it's not polished like chrome. The big wide rocker panels are real nice and straight. The emblems are new old stock also. It has a remote mirror. Now this is the burgundy color, and actually it has very small metal flake in it if you really look at it. This is a lacquer paint job, just like the factory would have done. For all practical purposes, it's beautiful. There's an area here where it's just slightly fuzzy. There's like a little touch-up right here, little touch-up there. So minor imperfections, keeping it from being perfect. There is a little blister right there. So minor imperfections. Out in a sunny day, it looks brand new. It's beautiful. Door jambs are very clean and tidy. The weather strips are replaced, but there's like a little nick right here. So the car is not a 10, but it's a really good car. It's the right car. It just fits and functions. Look how nice it shuts. It feels right. And it still shows really well. Black convertible top's in real nice shape. Factory power antenna does work. Has the Rally 1 wheels. They're in excellent shape with radial redline tires on there, so it rides real nice. It does have an XM satellite stereo unit. That's what that is. That's in the center console. The factory AM/FM radio is pretty rare for 67. That does work. Yeah, same thing, a little chunk of the rubber right here, but the weather strips are soft, door jambs are clean. Interior is really nice, unabused. You sit in the seats, the cushions are nice and firm. It looks like maybe an original upholstery because it looks like there's like a little cigarette burn or something that was repaired. So again, it's not perfect, but it's all really good. Everything feels right, fits right. The whole dash looks restored. The dash pad, it has the rally gauge package with the tachometer and all the bezels, lenses, gauges, knobs, heater controls. That's beautiful. So the dash looks completely restored. The kick panels are mint. The chrome vents, the levers move, they work. I had them open when I was driving. A lot of times those just aren't working. Carpets are mint, has the reproduction floor mats in front, has all the GM seat belts front and back. All the interior lights work, including inside the console, inside the glove box. So just a very nice interior. Deluxe steering wheel. Now we'll open the hood and the trunk. Windshield looks crystal clear. Windows roll up and down nice. They fit nice. Just a nice clean trunk compartment. It's all metal. It's been spatter painted. The mat looks new. It does have a Rally 1 wheel for a spare. The jack assembly's there. It's all bolted down and proper. Underneath here is nice. The rubber is nice. The wiring all looks nice. So again, not restored to concourse, wow, look how perfect it is, but it's very nice and respectable. The motor has 1,000 miles on a complete rebuild. It is built to 400 HO specs. It has the 068 cam. It has the factory HO exhaust manifolds, open element air cleaner, and it runs perfect. Everything in here is proper. Cadmium plated power brake booster. Does have power steering too. But it has the GM hoses, clamps, the right shroud, the right cap, the right fan, spring clamp battery cables. The battery's bolted down. Wiper motor looks new. Washers are hooked up. Everything in here is proper, tidy. The pulleys all look good. They're all lined up. The brackets are proper. Hood insulation. So everything is just right. I'm going to start it up for you. It's just a car you feel confident in. You don't wonder, is it going to start? Am I going to make it? Are the brakes going to go out? It just, you feel completely at ease driving this car. That's exactly how it's supposed to run and sound. Motor smooth as can be. Really nice car. A lot of fun shifting through those gears. You got an HO, you got a posi, top down. Just a great car to get out and drive. This will go to any car show. You'll be proud of it. You'll get compliments anywhere you go. And it'll get you where you're going. Visit volocars.com. That's where you can find plenty of ways to contact our staff. They can help answer questions about the car, the process, the delivery, the financing, the paperwork. We can help with all of that. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.